Hey guys, this is a windshield wipes. So Rain X, like a Ford, is a PTB mode. PTB mode for Ford. You just want to move let me see. You move for one side, you press here, and move for left and right and take out, and put another one. This is for Ford PTB. You have one around here for forward, and here you put the for same side around, put it here and press. Cool, that's easy. And that you take out, press here, and it's no easy to do laundry. Take out for trash and put another one. Damn, it's no easy for use one hand. Okay, cool, it's done, all set. That's easy. Rain X.